꼭꼭 씹어 먹어.
Chew well.
Chew well.
Chew well.
아직도 꿈나라야?
Are you still dreaming?
Are you still dreaming?
Are you still dreaming?
5분만 더 자.
Just for 5 more minutes.
Just for 5 more minutes.
Just for 5 more minutes.
안 일어나면 간지럼 태울 거야.
I'll tickle you if you don't get up.
I'll tickle you if you don't get up.
I'll tickle you if you don't get up.
밤에 안 추웠어?
Wasn't it chilly at night?
Wasn't it chilly at night?
Wasn't it chilly at night?
쉬하는 꿈 꿨어?
Did you dream about peeing?
Did you dream about peeing?
Did you dream about peeing?
기지개 펴봐.
Stretch your body.
Stretch your body.
Stretch your body.
이빨 제대로 닦아.
Make sure to brush your teeth well.
Make sure to brush your teeth well.
Make sure to brush your teeth well.
혓바닥 닦는 거 잊지 마.
Don't forget to brush your tongue.
Don't forget to brush your tongue.
Don't forget to brush your tongue.
쉬다 하면 엄마 불러.
Pee and call me when you're done.
Pee and call me when you're done.
Pee and call me when you're done.
급했구나.
You were in a rush.
You were in a rush.
You were in a rush.
아빠한테 뽀뽀해드려야지.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Give Daddy a kiss.
가서 동생 좀 깨워줄래?
Could you go wake up your sister?
Could you go wake up your sister?
Could you go wake up your sister?
내가 가서 동생 깨워줄게.
I'll go wake up your brother.
I'll go wake up your brother.
I'll go wake up your brother.
아침 식사 준비됐어.
Breakfast is ready.
Breakfast is ready.
Breakfast is ready.
왜 안 먹었어?
How come you are not eating?
How come you are not eating?
How come you are not eating?
맛있는지 일단 한번 먹어봐.
Just try and see if it's good.
Just try and see if it's good.
Just try and see if it's good.
우유 더 줄까?
Do you want some more milk?
Do you want some more milk?
Do you want some more milk?
식탁에 똑바로 앉아야지.
Sit properly at the table.
Sit properly at the table.
Sit properly at the table.
빨리 먹어.
Hurry up and eat.
Hurry up and eat.
Hurry up and eat.
접시 싱크대 위에 올려놓을래?
Could you put your plate in the sink?
Could you put your plate in the sink?
Could you put your plate in the sink?
쉬 참지 마.
Don't hold your pee.
Don't hold your pee.
Don't hold your pee.
엄마가 도와줄까?
Do you want me to help you?
Do you want me to help you?
Do you want me to help you?
혼자 옷을 다 입었네.
You got dressed by yourself.
You got dressed by yourself.
You got dressed by yourself.
셔츠 단추 잠궈.
Button up your shirt.
Button up your shirt.
Button up your shirt.
오늘 미세먼지는 완전 나빠.
Fine dust is very bad today.
Fine dust is very bad today.
Fine dust is very bad today.
가방 쌌어?
Did you pack your bag?
Did you pack your bag?
Did you pack your bag?
수고하셨어요. 구독과 좋아요는 필수.